everyone. A warm welcome to FADA PITA charity organization. We promote Igbo language and culture. I am an ambassador for FADA PITA charity organization. In our subsequent meetings, I'll be teaching you how to communicate using Igbo language. This platform is basically for our brothers and sisters who find it difficult to communicate using Igbo language. Today, we are going to be looking into an interesting topic, which is introducing oneself. Introducing oneself. In Igbo, you will say ịkọwa onwe onye. Introducing nkọwa. Introducing nkọwa. Ịkọwa onwe onye. Ịkọwa onwe onye. Ịkọwa. Say after me. Ịkọwa onwe onye. Ịkọwa onwe onye. Sometimes you'll be walking on the road, somebody can walk up to you. Maybe you find your Igbo brother. The person will ask you, Nne, kedu aha gi? You'll be looking at the person. You don't know what to say. Calm down. You are at the right place now. I am going to teach you from the scratch how to communicate using Igbo language. Igbo language is not very easy to learn. But with me, I assure you, you will be very fluent in Igbo language because I'll be taking it bit by bit for you to be able to follow me. Today, as I said earlier, that we are going to look into ịkọwa onwe onye, introducing oneself. Somebody can ask you, kedu aha gi? What is your name? What is your name? Kedu aha gi? Kedu means what? Kedu. Repeat after me. Kedu. 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 Aha. Aha. Gi. Gi. Kedu is what? Aha is name. Gi is now you. What is your name? That is kedu aha gi. Kedu aha gi. There is another way of saying what in Igbo language. You hear someone say ole. Ole. Ole also means what? Somebody can ask you, ole aha gi. Ole aha gi. Ole. Ole. Ole aha gi. Then what is expected of you to answer? Do you know the reply? I will give you that. Once you hear someone ask you, ole aha gi maọbụ kedu aha gi. Ole aha gi or kedu aha gi. It is expected of you to say, aha m bụ. Aha mụ bụ. Aha means name. Name. Mụ maọbụ or mụ means myself, me. Aha m bụ. Bụ means is. Aha m bụ. Aha m bụ. Repeat after me. Aha m bụ. You now say your name. Aha m bụ Kosi. Aha m bụ Kosi Sochukwu. Aha m bụ Kelechukwu. Aha m bụ Chisom. Aha m bụ Nnamdi. So this is the simplest way to tell someone your name. Then let's look into this context. Assuming you're married and you want to show that you are married, you want to tell the person that you are married. You know, there are titles for married people, right? In Igbo also, we have titles for married people. If you are talking about a woman that is married, Mrs. simply means Oriako maọbụ Odozi Akụ, Oriakụ or Odozi Akụ, Oriakụ or Odozi Akụ, Oriakụ or Odozi Akụ. That is Mrs. That is Mrs. You will now say, aha m bụ Oriakụ Kosisochukwu. Aha m bụ Oriakụ Kosisochukwu. Then if I'm a young girl that is not married, I would say, you know, in English we say Miss. So in Igbo language, we call it Nwada. 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 Aha m bụ Nwada Kosisochukwu. Aha m bụ Nwada Kosisochukwu. If you want to introduce a Mr. in Igbo language, if you are a man, a married man, you would say, aha m bụ Maazị Emeka. Aha m bụ Maazị. That is, in Igbo, we use Maazị as Mr. You say Mr. this, Mr. that. In Igbo, we say Maazị Okeke, Maazị Okafor, Maazị Nnamdi, Maazị Obinna. Maazị, Maazị, Maazị. Just try to repeat after me. With practice, constant practice, you will learn. As I'm speaking, you repeat after me. With that, you learn it perfectly. I said Maazị Obinna if you are a man. Then, let's look into, assuming you are a young boy, you're not married, just a little boy, you will also say Obere Maazị Emeka, Obere Maazị Obinna. Kedu aha gị? I ask you now, Kedu aha gị? Reply me at the comment section. This is where we will draw the curtain for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Please try to always practice. With practice, you would learn how to speak Igbo language fluently. I believe with your practice, you will learn, and I believe you've learned something from this lesson. See you guys in my subsequent class. Do have a lovely day. Bye.